what it is. Instrumental playing, I'm freestyling what I rapped or wrote. Alright, check it. Rapping late at night, call me Letterman. Understand what I'm saying like the words in a letter, man. Better man, like I was smoking weed straight from the Netherlands. Where is the treasure land? Over there, right to the Neverland. Clever stand, which one is best, changing the weather, or to be a nobody in the land of the Freebirds clan? No one lives unless the heart stays beating, man. You can't be hungry if you're eating dinner, man. Listen to the words I acknowledge, speak and read, because I'm a winner, man. It's summer, opposite of winter, man. You can't follow all the same routes when your mind is underneath the alcohol or swimming proofs, man. So sad, lost most of my homies to drugs because I'm stuck on a better plan. The sun is gold, close to my soul in the midst of the equinox and the inner solstice, man. Call me a pagan, but I'm more of Mother Earth than a Wiccan, symbolizing pictures in the planetary stance giving birth. My truth explains the rage of being poor and living out the system. I try to paint pictures with your imagination so you could understand me, not push my thoughts away by persistent use of restrictions. My motive is simple, to break down the sick ways the government has slowly decayed our freedom of right to support what we spray and delayed the mind from existing beyond the physical terrain. Energy is available throughout the world. You have to follow what you cannot see, and that's the word I speak. And it's 2013, and it's VIP, LOC to the K. Now keep it free.